At 4:30, two more no votes. With the Republican plan, will they instead repeal rather than replace? Good, though, driving in, I did see some flashes of lightning in the sky.
Yeah, a couple of thunder get away this morning. I tell you what, really, the big story is the heat that's coming. 92 for today, and that's atypical summer heat later in the week. We typically don't get up into the upper 90s very often around here, and that's here's Max HG radar. Again, one downpour across parts of Washington County, Indiana, originally west of Salem. This is moving east at around 30 miles an hour, so some beneficial rain heading for folks in. This will fade away before it gets to I-65 over the next hour or so. From the Golf House Live, looking north, we have mainly clear skies here in the city right now. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s, that dew point close to 70, so it is muggy out there, 10 miles an hour. Your allergy forecast today in the low to moderate category all around Kentuckiana for weed and east from I-64 north to the 60s across parts of Kentucky where there's some slightly drier air in place that's allowed. Here's Max HG radar, the regional view. Other than that shower across parts of Indiana, it's quiet all around. A lot of active weather going on. Really high pressure is in place. We have a weak piece of energy in the upper levels of the atmosphere that could today, but that rain coverage is going to be less than 20% and even less than what we saw yesterday, I think. Warm front out to head our way, but the warmth associated with that boundary moves in beginning tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Futurecast hour by hour. This 80s later on for this afternoon. Again, that chance of a stray shower, but it's less than 20% closer to Kentuckiana. Moving into this evening, any showers fade away. Then later on overnight, we'll see partly cloudy skies. Lows by morning in the upper 60s to low and mid 70s. Later on tomorrow, some clouds and sun mixed. But despite that, I think we're mainly dry for tomorrow. Pushing later into the week, here comes that dome of heat into the Ohio Valley Saturday and Sunday with high temperatures those 3 days from 96 to 98 degrees. Hey, we're starting out in the 70s, rising up into the upper 80s after lunch with a high in the lower 90s for us. Here's your 7-day and very, very hot. High temps in the mid to upper 90s, Brooke, and feel like temps around 100, if not higher, by above 80 degrees Friday and Saturday night.
All right. Thanks so much, Jared. The Harrison County Sheriff's Office is offering a information leading to the arrest of two men whom they say robbed